Hi guys, it's Joanne. How are you? Welcome to my Bramble Fox layout. I'm very excited to be doing this because I have amazingly gorgeous, super cool perspectives I'm going to use. And the collection I'm using is the Hip Kit Club August 2022, and it's called Chasing the Sand. It was all summer themed, gorgeous colors, and it's gonna go perfect with this picture of my great nieces. They were over at my house. We were exchanging presents for her 5th birthday, and then all the kids went swimming afterwards, so this is very summery. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. I'm going to be using beautiful papers from the kit, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is a 10 by 8 piece of paper, okay? And this one is a 3 by 11 piece of paper. All right, and then here's just a circle. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we have this down. Let me bring this back in, and then what I'm gonna do is I have to tell you guys, this is a branding strip from the Hip Kit Club. Obviously I said that, but I never throw my branding strips away. I always use them. Look at that. That's perfect, right? So I'm going to put that right about there. And that's the full 12 inches across. And then this is another branding strip, and this is a border, I don't know, border piece, we're going to call it that, that came with the kit. So I'm just going to use that to go here. And then just by putting that there, that's going to like enclose the picture into this area, if you want to say that. So I think I'll put that right there, like that. Won't that look pretty? All right, I'm trying to think if I want the branding strip to go all the way over here, like that. It looks kind of funny with just that sticking out. So I think I'll do this and then snip that piece off. I have several Bramble Fox awesome stencils. This one is the tropical leaves. I'll link it below. Isn't that wonderful? Look at all the different leaves you can use. And then this one is one of my favorites. It's all the mixed media splatters. So if in case you don't like to use mixed media, you can make it look like you did some, right? Super cool. And then I am going to use this perspective in the shop. It's called Favorite. And I'm going to put it right there so you can see it pop up off this beautiful blue. And this package, I put a picture of it at the beginning. It also comes with the title Super. So you can say super awesome, super amazing, whatever you want it to be. But I want to do a few of these leaves, like just coming out of the photo a little bit. I think it'll look cool. So let's pull this up just a tiny bit. And I do like to put my picture down first and then slide the stencil underneath it, because then I feel like I get perfect placement instead of guessing and then putting the picture down and having it not be where I want it to be. And I like that. So I'm going to use these Nuvo inks. Okay, stencil work is done. Isn't that stencil fabulous? I especially love the mixed media stencil. It just comes out perfect. And I just put some tropical leaves around in the mixed media stencil. I put 2 tags over here. These were pocket life cards from the kit, and I just made them into tags. So let's get decorating. I picked out some ephemera from the ephemera packs, and then I have all these sticker sheets over here that we have to look through still. So let's think about this. Okay, so little palm tree, how cute. Found this little tag. I like to put 2 tags, and this little tab I'll sneak in right there. And having 3 things layered like that, I think that looks really cute. So let's put some glue on this and get that in there. Okay, good placement. And I just want it sticking out a little bit because I think that I'm going to put a sentiment there from this. Look at all those sentiments. We'll have to find one that matches with what went on this day. I'm going to put a little cluster here, a little cluster here, and of course you saw where my title was going. So look at all these leaves, tropical, summerish stuff, adorable. All right, a little bag and a chipboard circle. It says sun and fun, which is perfect for that. So let's get in some leaves over here to go in with our stencil work. Put a little couple in like this. Yeah. And then maybe there's free space here in the photo, so I can put that there. Yeah, why not? Let's do it. Okay, put some glue right on the picture. And then those 2 have good placement, so I'll hold them down, go under with my glue. That way I don't have to think about the placement a second time. They're all glued down now. So I want to put the circle in the corner of this photo, but I want to make sure that it's placed nicely on this corner, but without a gap between that and this circle. So this would be an odd space. So I want to put it down so this touches this, if that makes sense. So we'll put it right there. And then we'll go ahead and put some leaves around. Let's see, how about this green one under here? I'll have to lift my photo up a little teeny bit. Put that in there, like so. And then look at this pretty orange one. Let's get that in there. Put that right underneath here. That up a little bit. Yeah. All right, that's good. So then I'm going to come back in with the glue and go back underneath here. Sometimes it's a little tricky. If you get something where you want it, you don't want it to move, because then you will never get it back where you had it. You know how that goes. And then let's see, can we sneak this in there? I just think it looks nice to bring some green over there, and it's all summery. It's not really tropical because it was just my house, but still, it's summer, it works, right? Okay, we got that in there. Let's go in here, get some glue on this leaf so that doesn't move on us. And then here's another one. I think that breaks that up nicely. And then how about if we went ahead and tucked this little bag, because they did bring several bags, you know, with 4 kids. You have the mom, my niece, has to bring over bags full of towels and snacks and bathing suits and whatever else might be needed. All right, so there's that. That came out cute. Little cluster. Yeah, let's look. Adorable. All right, guys, let's get this going. We'll finish with the final decorations. I want to put a sentiment here like I mentioned earlier. And there's one here that says living our best life. I think that would match nicely. Put it right on that. That's fun. Okay, let's do that. I did put Summer Fun up here off camera because I fight with my alphas terrible. All right, and then we have these. There's a big sheet of puffies. Ooh, a whole 6x12 sheet of puffies. Doesn't get much better than that. Now, I'm going to put my title down here, I think, but I feel like this space is empty. So let's see if we can get a puffy leaf in here. We'll pick this pink one. How pretty. Yeah, that fills that gap nicely. Let's go ahead and get our Bramble Fox down. Now you can use glossy accents if you want to. This is clogged. Hold on one second. But any glue that you use, whatever your favorite glue is, you can use that. You don't have to use glossy accents. I don't want you to think that you have to. It sticks just fine. And some people actually even use pop dots to put them down, and that's perfectly fine too. I'm going to try to get this as straight as possible. I think that's good. All right, perfect. I did mess the glue up there a little bit, but that's okay. It'll dry clear. I'm not worried about it. I'll put just little dots of glue on that and tuck that in right there. That'll be good. And let's see if we can get some more of these things in there. Oh, there's this little flamingo. I don't know if I have room for him, but I mean, if there's a flamingo, we have to use them because it's just too cute. Oh, that's good. Let's put it there. What else do we have? Maybe a puffy flower? I don't know. That doesn't look too bad. Need a different angle though, like that. Oh, here's a little sun. Wonder if we can get a little sun in somewheres. Try. Put it right here in the corner. That's cute. I don't know if I like that placement, but I like it up here in this corner. Can we lift this up? Yes, we can. Sneak that right in there. Like, just do it sideways. I think I'll like that better. Okay, guys. I think we're almost done here, and I added one more leaf there because I just wanted to fill in a little bit. And then I found this chipboard. It says the pool. So favorite is the pool because they love swimming so much for hours. You have to ask them to get out. So I thought I would put favorite the pool. And then Summer Fun is my favorite, and the girls are my favorite. So we have lots of favorites. All right, I want to put these white hearts in here. Now, I know they're going to blend in just a little bit, but I'm okay with that really because they're just going to add some really pretty dimension. So I'm going to put one here. And then where else can we put them? I have a whole bunch picked out too. Then we're going to put one here. This is a very beautiful pastel collection, so I'm liking the white with this. And then let's put one more heart over here with this big one. And then let me see. Maybe that's good. I don't know. No. Well, that looks cute. Let's put a heart right in there. Fill in that little gap. I like that. That's adorable. So I am thinking that it would be really cool to hand stitch around the circle. I just think it would bring a little something to the layout. I found this really cool multicolored embossing floss, embroidery floss, I meant to say. Wouldn't that be perfect? All right, so I just take my piercing tool and I put it up against the circle here, so you kind of start in the corner and then just work your way around. Okay, the hand stitching is done. There we go. Hope you can see it up close. I just did a chain stitch, and the reason I did that is I love the dimension of a chain stitch, and this has got good dimension on the whole layout with here in the Bramble Fox, so I really like that a lot. I'm going to do some splatters, and I thought I would do white splatters to keep this all fresh and clean. And this awesome stenciling. This is Altenew pure white ink spray. So just dip this in there and go ahead and put splatters on things, okay? All right, let's do some close-ups, and I think we are done. So here's that awesome stencil with the leaves and the awesome mixed media stencil. I will link all of these products below. White Bramble Fox heart, super pretty. And there is this cluster with another Bramble Fox heart, 2 Bramble Fox hearts here, little cluster, favorite in the arrow with the heart in the middle, hand stitching, stencil work. Oh, so pretty. All right, guys, I'm going to put close-ups at the end, so please do subscribe to my channel and the Bramble Fox YouTube channel, and follow both of us on Instagram if you wish, okay? If you have any questions about Bramble Fox, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below and ask me. I am happy to help you. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day. Bye.